Today we're going to draw Mike Wazowski, a monster, out of Rubik's Cubes. Are you scared? Let's go. Hello everyone, KidSlam here and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're going to be celebrating Mike Wazowski, and this is because he won the polls in our previous video. As a Mike Wazowski fan, I couldn't be happier. I mean, look at this guy. As far as monsters are concerned, I'm pretty sure we're working with a winner here. I mean, even his name, Mike Wazowski, is amazing. I just love the character. I'll meet you guys in the cards, and without further ado, I introduce Mr. Mike Wazowski. As you can tell, Mike Wazowski here is nearly finished. In fact, I thought he might be finished according to the plan that I had prepared prior to creating him with Rubik's Cubes. I will say though, I think a couple of adjustments in some of these areas is necessary to make Mike look even more flattering than he looks already. So we'll do that and we'll get back. Made a couple of minor adjustments and I think Mike Wazowski is ready to present it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna leave a card up above, so let me know which of these characters you would like to see next. My name is KidSlam and I post a variety of fun and creative art content here on YouTube. Subscribe for weekly videos and I'll see you in the next one.